Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kiran Talks. There is one thing common in all of us, that is, we all want to become rich. But is it easy to become rich? We all know that it requires very hard work and commitment. But in my view, it is only the mindset which you think and the plan which you want to execute. According to the cash flow quadrant written by Robert Kiyosaki, he has divided that cash flow quadrant into 4 quadrants. He has specified different types of professions in these 4 quadrants. Each quadrant will have a different profession, different type of profession. The first one is that they are employees. The first quadrant contains employees. The second quadrant contains self-employees. The third quadrant is of investors, and the fourth quadrant is that of business owners. So generally 90% of the people fall in the first quadrant. They are employees. Most of the people, once after completing their education, they want to settle in the jobs because jobs are of less risk. Even the parents, they specify the children, once after completing education, they have to get a good job so that they can settle in their life. But this is the least case where one can have the chance of getting rich, because here they will only work for one person, that is either the chairperson or the boss or the organization. All the time and all the energy which they have, they will only spend for that one person. And whatever the energy and the enthusiasm they show on the first day, they have to show even though if they work for 20 years. Even after 20 years, they have to show the same energy. Then only he will like it by his boss, and then only the boss gives his salary. But even after knowing this, many people, they like doing job because they don't want to do any risk. Even they are capable of doing other businesses or something else, but they don't want to go into that because job is of less risk, because they will get timely salary. And even though if they don't like the job, or if the employer doesn't like him, he can simply quit the job and he can search another one. So as there is low risk in this one, most people prefer this. But this is the least case where they can grow rich in their life. In the second quadrant, there are people called as self-employed. People like doctors, lawyers, consultants, YouTubers, all these are self-employed because they work for themselves. They don't have any boss. They have more time to spend with their family and friends. But even then, this is not the good case to grow rich in their life. They are better than the employees, but it is not the best one to grow rich in their life, because they have to work. They have to work to get money. They have to work to get name and fame. Unless and until they work, they don't get the name and fame. The third one is the investors. This is the case where money works actually for the people. If a person invests in stocks, mutual funds, land or gold, real estate, the money will grow exponentially over a period of time. And actually it works for them. So many businessmen, they do invest in such kind of things. For example, if you invest in mutual funds, after 5 to 6 years, after 10 years, the money will grow 4 to 5 folds. If you invest in land, after a few years, it will be doubled or tripled, or it may grow even exponentially. So that is the power of investing. So you need not work for them. You need not work for the money. Whatever the money you have, whatever the money you earn, you can invest so that it earns for you. But even this model is not the greatest model to grow rich. There is another model which is called as business owners. Business owners are the people who can grow very rich because they won't work actually. The people work for them. The employees which they employ, they work for them. They will create a system for themselves. That system works for them. So, even though if they do not work, even though if they travel, or even though if they sleep also, the money works for them. What they have to do is they have to give values and suggestions, and they have to make that implementable by the people around them, by the employees, and by the systems which they create. That's it. So many businessmen, many business magnates, the famous people, they work such a kind of thing so that their money works for them, and hence they grow rich in their life. So in order to become rich, one has to think like that. One has to dream big, and they have to create a system where that system and the people where they employ, they have to work for them, and they have to generate the money. They have to provide the values and suggestions, and they can get the money and they can grow rich. But in order to grow to such an extent, it takes a lot of time. So one has to pass all these phases. One has to get a proper exposure and experience, and then they can create an ecosystem where systems and the people work for them. Then people will definitely grow rich. This is Kiran signing off. Until we meet in next video.